Hey guys, I just spent a week in Switzerland, and in this video I'm going to show you everything we got up to, how much it cost, what I would recommend, and what I would maybe give a miss if I was to do it again. Now, the first hike, and probably my favourite one we did on this trip, other than maybe the last one, is Lake Oeschinensee. Now, this hike was about 2 hours to the top, and it was pretty steep, and then probably about 1.5 hours maybe on the way back down, because it's a bit quicker. You can take a gondola. It's then only about a 20-minute to 30-minute walk once you get to the top. I did like the hike up. The views were really nice. This was July and it was absolutely baking, and we had big bags on our back, so I kind of wish we did take the gondola. You'd still get pretty awesome views, but if you do want to walk it, I would say it's quite a moderately hard one to do. So this lake is where most people get to and then spend a bit of time here and turn around. We were actually wild camping, so we carried on and we went for another probably hour and a half. It was very steep, and because it was so hot, we're all pretty athletic and we were really struggling. We finally made it up here, and it was a really sick place to camp, but it was pretty tough. Although one thing to note is we did do it in the summer, so it was really hot, and we did have huge camping bags on our back, so that definitely didn't help.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you.
Next up we headed to Grindelwald and we did the downhill karting, which was by far my favourite activity of the whole trip. You take a gondola right up to the top of a mountain and then ride karts right down to the bottom. Now, this was quite expensive. It was around £80 for the gondola up to the top of the mountain and then riding the carts down, which I know is quite pricey, but I still do definitely recommend it. You're not going to find this anywhere else really, I can't imagine, so it's kind of a one-off experience.
You are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
We then headed to our campsite for the night. This was in Grindelwald, not far from the karting. It was called Camping Holdrio, and it was right next to the Aspen Hotel, so it's quite easy to find. They had plenty of space. We just turned up on the day, in the evening actually, and booked our spot on the campsite.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
Next up we headed down to Lake Brienz. Now I actually found this spot on TikTok. It's right down one end of the lake, and they've got a whole designated spot for diving boards. There's 2 diving boards and it's right next to a big patch of grass, so you can sunbathe and go in the water, jump off the diving board. There's also a car park right next to it, so it's the perfect spot really to spend a free afternoon. You don't have to pay anything, right on the lake.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore.
Another hike that we did was the Stoos hike. Now there was an option to get a gondola to the top, but we thought we'll opt with the walking up. I was quietly regretting it because it was pretty steep and it did take a while, but it was worth it in the end with all the views you get from the top, and then we got the gondola back down to the bottom.
We can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
And last but not least, one of my other favourite things from the trip was the Gadmen coaster in Guttanen. Now this is one of the steepest open air railways in Europe, and it takes you right to the top of this mountain with this lake which you can actually swim in, and it probably was one of the bluest, clearest lakes I've ever seen. Now that is going to be the end of the video. If you did enjoy, please subscribe and hit the like button. I've got plenty more travel videos and guides coming soon, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.